Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share with you my gallery wall that's located in my home office. Not all of these items that I'm about to show you are authentic African pieces. In fact, most of these items were purchased at Ross and Hobby Lobby. Now, my color palette is mostly gray, black, white, and beige with a hint of gold. The inspiration came from this huge elephant picture that I purchased several years ago, also from Ross. So without further ado, I'd like to show you my gallery wall. But before I do, please hit that subscribe button, also like and comment below. Thanks for watching. Let's get started. Now this happens to be one of my favorite pieces that I have on my gallery wall. This artwork I found online and I had it printed and then purchased the frame from Ross for about $8.99. The mask I also purchased from Ross and I think I paid about $9 or $10 for it. I can't remember because I've had this mask also for about 3 or 4 years now. The black and gray arrow I purchased from Hobby Lobby, as well as the gold arrow, and I purchased them for 50% off. I think I paid roughly around $5 for the gray and black arrow, and the gold arrow I believe cost around $3. Now the Find Your Tribe plaque I purchased at Ross and that was $4.99. Here's another piece of artwork that I found online and had printed at one of my local printing shops. And this frame is also another one of the frames that I purchased from Ross. Again, it was $8.99. The mask was purchased also from Ross. It was a cream color with hints of gray, but it didn't fit into my color scheme, so I bought some acrylic paint and simply painted it black to go with the rest of the items on the wall. Now the map I purchased also from Ross, and I believe I paid $6.99 for it, and as you can see there is a little saying at the very bottom which says explore, dream, discover. And since it's part of my office, I thought it would fit perfect in this space. Now below that map is a plaque that I also purchased from Hobby Lobby, and it is black with hints of gold lettering which says be your own kind of beautiful. And I thought this was perfect to complete my gallery wall. Now this elephant picture is the start of the gallery wall. I've had it for several years and it was a standalone piece, but it simply didn't do anything for me over my desk, so that inspired me to do a gallery wall. This large item I actually found at Ross for $39.99. It is a canvas piece that is framed with a gold and silver tone metal frame. It's a nice piece and very well made, and I'm very pleased with the outcome of my wall. I hope you guys have enjoyed my simple and short gallery wall tour. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I hope I was able to inspire you to create your own gallery wall. I had a lot of fun putting this together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also like and comment below. Until next time guys, bye-bye.